everyone, how have you been? Let's start with the riddle as usual. Riddle: I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? A bank! Today's topic is about the country Europe. This is the flag of Europe. Where is Europe located? Europe is a continent located in north of Africa and west of Asia. It is bordered on the west by the Atlantic Ocean and on north by the Arctic Ocean and on the south by the Mediterranean Sea. Barcelona's Sagrada Familia is taking longer to build than the pyramids. The ancient pyramids of Egypt were constructed between 2589 and 2504 BC. That it took 85 years to build the pyramid. But Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia, began construction in 1882 and has remained under construction every day following. Gaudi didn't get to see his work completed. Barcelona aims to have it completed by 2026, the 100th anniversary of Gaudi's death, after 144 years of construction. So it'll take 144 years of construction to build this, and this is how it'll look after construction. It's literally so beautiful and massive. Nearly every city in France has a street name for Victor Hugo. France honors its most famous poet and writer, Victor Hugo, with a street named after him in nearly every city. Hugo not only penned Les Miserables and The Hunchback of Notre Dame as part of the Romantic movement, but was very dedicated to his country and served as a political advocate. Little wonder then that the country has also included his face on its currency. Denmark has 7,000 government-approved baby names and 5 that are banned. You're allowed to name your child any one of the 7,000 approved baby names in Denmark, but if you want something more unique, you will need to receive permission from the government to do so. Jacob, Ashley, Anus, Monkey, and Pluto have all been banned. So if you want one of the names, you're out of luck. What's wrong with Pluto? Pluto sounds a good name, but I don't know. Disneyland Paris is one of the most popular attractions in all of Europe. When you think of a European attraction, perhaps it is something as iconic as the Eiffel Tower. It receives 7 million visitors per year, not even close to 9.7 million visitors who visit Disneyland. Eiffel Tower receives 7 million visitors per year, but Disneyland receives 9.7 million visitors. Oh my god, per year they do it? Oh my god, that's a lot, right? One of the most visited attractions in all Europe is a Disney theme park, and we aren't sure how to feel about it. 1 in 10 Europeans are convinced in an IKEA bed. IKEA is so widely populated in Europe that it is estimated 1 in 10 babies in Europe and 1 in 5 in Britain are conceived in its beds. Though this figure has been widely reported in reputable outlets, it's unclear exactly where the stat came from. IKEA has said it will investigate the claim. How, we don't know. IKEA is notorious for having difficult to understand instructions, but it looks like everyone has at least activity all figured out. There is a rainforest in Europe. Yes, European climates allow for rainforests. One of the last remaining is Persusia in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The 3,500-acre forest is a reserve on UNESCO's World Heritage List. Wales has a town with 57 letters in its name. The longest name bestowed upon any town in Europe belongs to Wales. The name means cave in Welsh. We dare you to pronounce it. Here's the name. Here's the letters. Oh my god, there are lots. 10 villages in Scandinavia have the shortest city names, just 1 letter long. In Denmark, Sweden, and Norway, 10 villages have names that are single letter long. The city that name A, which means small brook or river, in all Scandinavian languages, is found 9 times throughout the country. O, which means island, can be found in Sweden. It is illegal to name your pig Napoleon in France. George Orwell's Animal Farm may have had a pig named Napoleon, but don't try to give that pet name to your pet pig. This odd law was originally created during Napoleon's tenure, so he wouldn't have to share his name with swine, and it never came off the books. But don't worry, the French won't actually come searching your home for a pig named one of the most renowned rulers of Europe. Of the British Museum collection Only 1% is on the display. The British Museum collection is so great, 8 million items of art and antiques that it cannot showcase all the pieces with room for just 80,000 objects to be displayed. You are only seeing 1% of the collection when you visit this London museum, which is free, by the way. Now time for the activities. So there is 3 questions as you see, and I'll give you just 5 seconds to answer each. But you're not supposed to go to the previous slide where the answers are there. You have to think. The first one. What monument in Europe is still under construction and might be finished on 2026? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Sagrada Familia. What name is illegal to name a pig? I'll give you 5 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right answer is Napoleon. Oops. Ooh, okay, you already saw that. How many letters are there in the biggest word? The answer is 57. Thanks for watching. We hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified each time we post a new video. Bye guys.